Ever wonder what happens when the power of friendship is twisted into something truly terrifying? And that's the core of the latest installment of Chainsaw Man. Following the buzz from the recent film release, creator Tatsuki Fujimoto's seems revitalized, delivering a chapter that's both visually stunning and narratively complex. The battle between Yoru and Pachita has been brewing for chapters. Uh, we've seen glimpses into Denji and Pochita's perspectives and Asa's internal struggle. Um, now, all the emotional buildup is set aside for a pure, unadulterated clash of power. And this is the fight fans have been waiting for, and that isn't disappoint, for chapters. The stage has been set. Denji's intervention helped break up the initial conflict, but the true threat lingered. The Death Devil's presence offered a buffer, a false sense of security. That all changed when Pochita consumed to death, preventing Yoru from weaponizing it. Chapter 220 delivers a fight unlike any seen in part 2 so far. 3 full-page spreads and a relentless barrage of action panels showcase the sheer demonic chaos. A particularly striking moment sees Pachita and Yoru standing amidst countless doors to hell, the city below inverted. It's a visual representation of a universe turned upside down amidst the brutal combat. A surprisingly funny thread emerges. Yoru channels the bonds she's forged, claiming a newfound appreciation for connection, and she insists she's changed, learning from humans and discovering the magnificence of friendship. It's a clear parody of the classic shonen trope, the power of friendship conquering all the proof. Fujimoto playfully mocks this concept, especially relevant given the ongoing My Hero Academia series. Yoru's declaration, get it, Chainsaw Man? This is what you lack, is hilariously cringeworthy, but beneath the humor lies a twisted worldview that deserves further exploration. And with death erased and control over countless devils, Yoru is officially the most powerful villain in Chainsaw Man. Her latest attack, the Michigan Sword, takes things to an unbelievable scale. She begins transforming the entire state of Michigan into a weapon. Duke Hines, Fujimoto may have foreshadowed this move earlier, summoning the Accident Devil, a nod to Detroit's history as the Motor City. The strength of Yoru's weapons is tied to their value, making the Michigan Sword potentially the most devastating attack in the series. And now it's very cool. And many people made us take into the skiff. You kind of take it in part 1, America held the most pieces of the Gun Devil. Now, with Yoru's power growing, that message has become even more prominent in chapters 209 and 210 saw Yoru regain power thanks to America's nuclear arsenal. She even famously declared her love for America, not Denji. And you can tell that they don't realize that when you wanted to, uh, Yoru not only loves America, but feels she owns it. It's a pointed critique of a nation run by war, where citizens become weapons in conflicts they don't understand. And Chainsaw Man has moved beyond allegory, directly addressing contemporary issues with courage and nuance, between spathing political commentary and breathtaking action. Chapter 220 is a truly remarkable installment. And you know what they say about the War Devil? Um, she's got a lot of statements to make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.